Now, let's move to another important feature, crop plan. Maximize your crop's yield by following a scientific schedule of activities provided based on your date of sowing and cultivation type in crop plan. If you have added your farm in the My Farm section under your profile and linked your crops to it, then you will see your crops on the top of the screen. If not, then select your crop by clicking on its picture. Here I'm selecting red chili. Click here to see the options for cultivation type and select the cultivation type for your crop. I am selecting transplant. In crops where there's only one type of cultivation, you will not see cultivation type options. Now I will select my date of sowing by clicking on the calendar icon. Here I can either select a date in the past when I have done my sowing, or if I have not already planted, I can put in my planned date of sowing. Like I will be transplanting on 15th May 2020. I will first select the month by clicking here. Then I will select the date and then click OK. After this, I will click on Update. Now you will see the first set of instructions on your screen for your crop. You will also see the date range between which this activity has to be done. You will see any farm inputs that are needed for this activity written in red and underlined. If you click on the inputs highlighted in red, you will see the images of different products which can be used. To go back to information on your task, click here. If you want to see a previous task, click here. To view the next task, click here. Click on the crop whose activity schedule you would like to view. I already see my crop plan for red chili, but I would like to see my plan for sugarcane. So I click here. Isn't this great? So get started with your crop plan today.